Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, my name is Hattem Mattar. I run an artisan smokehouse here in the UAE called the Mattar Farm. I'm Egyptian. I've grown up here in the UAE. I've been here almost 25 years. It's home for me. It's such a great place to live. It's wonderful, it's safe, it's diverse. And obviously we've made a home for ourselves here with the smokehouse and for myself and my daughters. Way back in 2014, I had my first taste of brisket in Texas. And I was so impressed and I loved it so much that I started flying brisket back with me in my suitcase. It obviously became very embarrassing when I was always stopped and asked why I was carrying brisket back with me. So I learned how to make it myself and I started cooking out of our backyard. And our name kind of got out there that we were the only smokehouse in the UAE. We started a commercial kitchen in 2017. There's been a lot of multicultural cuisine that we've had over the years. And so when I came to try out smoking meat for the first time, I wanted to include flavors that I was familiar with and that reminded me of home, even though home is defined as so many different places. Everything that you would have at a normal smokehouse in the US Southwest, we make as well. American techniques and local ingredients. Every cuisine under the sun has their own version of a charcoal-based or a fire-based cuisine. Everybody's got a barbecue. Every corner of the globe has a barbecue. So if you think about that and how that message brings us all together, food is not actually the message. Food is the medium. The message is that we're all the same. Everybody enjoys a good meal, regardless of where you're from. And everybody, well, I would say, I'm biased obviously, but I would say everybody enjoys the taste and the smell of barbecue.